Hello friends, so this is the third layout I will be doing from the June 2020 scrapbookingstore.com kits. I'm on the design team, so they send me this, so this is technically advertising. I get the kits as well as the upgrades. You got to get the upgrades, they are so awesome. And this is a very Americana based kit. So what I think I am using, this can change, is I have this Ladybug paper by Authentique, which is the good bumpy stuff. I've got this really great Stars and Stripe one. It is from the Calendar collection. I have Voyage 7 paper, which is this wood grain. It was my favorite paper in the whole collection. And then, I don't know which one this one is. It's Authentique. Not quite sure. Very cute. You know how they always put the quotes on there. I'm going to also be bringing in the sticker sheet, possibly some of these cut aparts. I don't know yet. I'm going to have to see how that goes. I do love how on the back of these calendar papers that you have 3 different patterns that you can work with. So I'm looking at that. Of course, I have the alpha, I have the die cuts, and I also have the really great stickers. So I know I have that going on. Now I'm looking at the the page map sketches, and I keep trying to decide which one I might want to play with. I love using sketches to spark my scrapbooking. So I think as I look at it, I think I'm going to go after this one right here. And what I will go ahead and do is I will go ahead and put that sketch right here while I'm scrapbooking. But to remind myself to do that, I'm using that one. All right, so I'll go ahead and put it up on the screen, and I'll make sure to leave a little space there so I can see what's what. Oh, and the photos I'm going to use are from last year, 4th of July event over at my son's girlfriend's house. They live on a lake, and they have really fun fireworks, and the kids were playing with sparklers. So this is my daughter Shay and her boyfriend. This is my daughter Ryan, and this is my son's girlfriend. So those are the pictures I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and get the base of my layout down so that I can talk you through the rest, and so I can kind of get ideas of how I want to go with this. All right, I'll be back in a moment. Oh, and down below, I forgot to tell you, I will have my affiliate link, which you don't have to click through to use, but if you do, it'll help support my channel. But I'll also have the links down below for where you can get your hands on these really cool kits. All right, now I'll really be back in a second. All right, so what I have done is I went ahead and auditioned a bunch of the die cuts that we got in the upgrades. I have this gorgeous bumpy Authentique paper for my background. I have the Stars and Stripes in a big block, the wood grain in a nice block, and then I used a scrap of the red stars paper in a block. Now, I don't have any of these die cuts attached at this point. I just thought I would show you where I am with this. Now, I think I am going to go ahead and layer these 2 pieces up here like it's going to be some kind of a cluster. That'll be fun. Let's see, I don't want the same color there. Maybe with that popped up, that little star. These fireworks pieces, I believe I want to go ahead and pop them up. I think I'll go like that. Pop them up. I have these really great rocket pieces I'm going to layer here. And now I really want to get in these great little banner pieces as well. And we did have 2 additional banner pieces, but I was trying to stay super red, white, and blue for this. So I'm going to get these pieces attached, get a couple things popped up, and I'll show you where I am at that point. Okay, so here's my little update. I just went ahead and used some of those great thickers and put them in 3 places. So I have a little bit of extra sparkle on there. All right, my layout is basically done. So at this point, I just get to add anything fun and extra I might want to put on. So the most I want to do from this sheet is maybe some of these cute little tiny sticker bits. I wish there was 3 of these. I like to do things in 3s when I can. I like this little piece. He is so cute. I used this on something else that was in a different scale, and I really like that. So I like this little piece here too. You know, we're getting to the point that I have so much pattern though that it's losing effect. So I think I'm going to cry uncle on the different pattern things and look at getting a couple of these sequins on. You know what, before I do, okay, I'll do sequins and stars. I'll do 3 clusters, sequins, stars, and little blingy bits. Okay, that's my plan. So I will get one little sequin in there so I can hide it a little bit because it was kind of large. I'll get a sequin bit right there and then maybe a little one up here. All right, so I have sequins. Let's get, I think maybe some of the blue stars on because I have so much red on here. That would end up being helpful. Blue star, and then one more blue star over here. And now we can get, look at how cute these itty bitty blings are. I have no idea where they're from. I have had them forever and a day. So I can do maybe a few of these little blingy bits because they're so tiny that they only add a little bit of sparkle. So let me just get a few of them on. And seriously, this will end up completing the layout so quickly. Oh, I don't like it right there. Let's put it around this cute little blue star. There we go. Maybe one more on the other side. Here, it's really hard to see what I'm doing right there. Look at this cute little section right here. There we go. And that is gonna do it. I love the way this one came out. I have so many fun patterns going on and colors and fun bits on here. We have tons of the die cuts, and I like when you can use the die cuts to help tell your story. The thickers were the bee's knees. So excited that we got thickers this time around because it helped build out these really great bold titles. I mean, this has a little bit of glitter, so you get the shimmer part and all of that. Oh, and about the photos, these are not perfect photos. And, you know, people ask, will you scrapbook photos when they are not perfect? And my answer is absolutely. It happened. I was not going to get perfect nighttime photos, but it was so cute when they were running around playing with sparklers before the fireworks that it is one of those things that I absolutely love to document, and it ended up perfectly. So right after this moment, the fireworks started going off and it was a great time. No idea how fireworks are going to work for this year. All right, my friends. So this is it. Once again, the links are down below for where you can get your kit and my affiliate link. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them and I will be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Goodbye, friends.